Hello, this is Sahaj Bhaskar. Today I am making my 21st video of practicing spoken English. Today my teacher taught us about how to give answer when someone asked question. He said when someone asked something related to the condition, to the events, and ask some features. So we always need to say need to say answer in positive way. Then he said this, for example, if someone said you, is education in India, is education is necessity or not? Is student school student should have used phone in school or not? Should taking phone in their school or not? So we need to say yes, and then we need to brief it yes, but some conditions. Yet yes, but maybe sometimes not. So this is the way to give the answer. Now today this is my 21st video of practicing spoken English. I have completed 20th video from day one, and the one thing I would like to tell you that I have completed 1 month of learning English, and this is my second month, and I know I can see I am improving. Before taking admission in Rise Academy, I was never able to speak my introduction, and today I can communicate in English. It's okay if I made mistake. I know I am not good enough, but still I am trying now. And my teacher taught us about some sentences like he was running despite he had injuries. He was cooking food despite she is ill. He is ill. You are still eating despite you have eaten 4 mango. You are still running despite you had injuries. Sorry. And I am still writing despite I have completed one notebook of writing. So this is the sentences taught by my teacher, and I need to enhance this sentence. I need to speak this sentence on a daily basis. And he also taught us about while and during. uh, differenced he taught us the difference between while and during. When we use while and when we use during. I fainted. I fainted means fell down. I fainted during the lecture. I fell down during the lecture. I fainted during the interview. I was eating during the movie. I was eating while I was watching movie. So this is the difference between during and while. I was running. I was running while I have bicycle in my home. Still I am running. This is the sentences taught by my teacher. And today it's very bright weather. My the clouds are on my head, above the head, in the sky, and sky is covered by cloud, and I can see there was man standing on the top of the building in front of me. He is talking to someone, maybe her girlfriend, but I don't know. I can't say anything. but I can imagine. Okay, so today my teacher asked some question uh, the questions was what the question? The question was, how do you feel? How do you arrange when you learning or earning in abroad? Then I say, yes, I can arrange while I am learning or earning in abroad. During the time when I was learning earning, uh, I learned with my full potential. Then after some time I come back to my home for meeting with my parents and family and my friends, and I then I go back to abroad to continue my journey. This type of question, this type of answer is given by me. And uh, the most important thing I didn't tell you till now is I got my incentive. Today I have received my incentive, and when the time the cashier put cash on my hand, put it cash on my hand, and it feels like they are giving something important, something pleasure, and something unachieved, something great in my hand. And it was like I have achieved, I have I achieved greatness in my life, achieved something great in my life. It feels like when I have got my insight, because during the whole month I just imagined, uh, I just imagined how much I got incentive, how will I get incentive. Then guys, I guessed maybe it should be 2000 or 3000, something in between of it. But you can't imagine, I got 4500 as an incentive, and is the great this is the motivation to me to do more in the company, to do more hard work in the company, to sell more scooter in the company. That's it. Today I speak something else, but I made mistake, I know, but I will improve it. Now there I got message, Satish humanity matter added you high class support. Okay, now I didn't tell you one thing, that in my company I am doing job as a sales executive in Honda showroom, and they made my ID in high class. High class means in high class they provide me all the information about the scooter and bikes, and maybe it has 89 to 90 slides for one model, and each slides have 4 different slides. So maybe it is approx 130 to 140 slides, and which takes time to complete in 2 hours, more than 2 hours, we can say more than 2 hours now. And there are 50 plus models, 50 plus videos in the slides, and we need to complete all of them. If we can't do it, then they will cut our salary. My manager, my owner said that simply, you need to complete this video, otherwise we will cut your salary. And we are doing our great. And today my company member make the group high class support team, which logo is Honda, and all are joined here I am also joined. I don't know why is this group made, but I can see there may be something unique in the video. Now I can see 10 minutes completed. Now I need some rest because